Yo, what's goody? So today, on the agenda is a couple things. We're finishing up that bumper. I'll show you guys the bumper right quick. So this is what's going on with the bumper. It had some stuff going on right here. I've already filled that part up here. We're filling some things here, like this right there. Filling like these chips. We're gonna see if we can take it out and then just fill all these. Definitely it's got some damage, honestly. Like this bumper's pretty beat up, but hopefully we can salvage it. Like right there, like it's got some stuff. Hopefully we can salvage that bumper. If not, then I mean it's salvageable for sure. It's just gonna take a lot of work. Also another thing, so this is my rear hatch emblem right here, and it, as you guys can see, I don't know if it'll focus. It's not in the best quality. It's not a real Toyota symbol, so it's like plastic and it's not metal like the original ones are. But I have some of this carbon fiber wrap. I know. Don't be calling me a racer, because so the gray on gray doesn't come out, you know. You can't really see it that well, if you can see that. It's just, it doesn't look the best with that. So I'm thinking that if I were to just wrap that in that carbon fiber stuff, it'll pop a little bit. It almost looks black. It doesn't really, if it doesn't really look that carbon fiber-ish, I don't really care. If I were to have black wrap, I would have used it, but I don't have it right now. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get that situated real quick, and then we'll see. Probably time lapse it or something, or I'll just show you guys the end product and let me know what you guys think. Alright, I don't know if you can see that. It turned out pretty alright. I'm not like the biggest fan of carbon fiber, but it looks alright. It is what it is. Let's go see what it looks like on the car. I don't know, honestly. Like, I really don't know. Like, you know, I really don't know. I might just keep it on there until the new Supra badges come on, because I definitely need a new OEM Supra one. I'm gonna get like the rear one and then the front, or not the front one. The front one doesn't need it because that's original, but I need the rear one and then the Supra badge. So we need to do that. I don't know. It looks alright. Kind of looks tacky if you ask me, but it is what it is. Bro, let me just show you how bad this thing is. Look at this. See if you can see that, like, chipped, freaking, like, grooved. Look at this. Let's see if you can see it right there. Look how easy that's chipping, bro. Like down here, this is all cracked. It's just on the verge of breaking. Holy crap. It's got, like, look at these cracks right here. I don't know if you can even see that. They have cracks everywhere. Like, come on, bro. Like, what kind of crap is this? Like, what kind of freaking... Look at the bottom. It's so mangled. Like, I really don't understand what the heck. Oh. Bruh, tell me how this happens twice. Look. Like, you see the stud right there on that one? Yeah. It freaking came out on this one. Same thing. Let's see. Where's it? Same thing right here. It came out. Like, are you kidding me? There's now... I got one stuck right there, and one stuck right there, like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to, like, I want to get the clear ones of these anyways, but for now I'm gonna have to super glue it in there. Well, as my luck would have it, I snapped it off. So So this front end is not going as planned, but I think I'm just gonna bite the bullet and order the new emblems. It's a pain in the butt, but we'll order the front and backs, and then, you know, it's gonna be expensive. They're like $70 for 2 emblems, or 3, like with the Supra included. It's gonna be like $100 in emblems, which is crap. It is what it is. Or we can super glue that one and see if that one will hold, but I mean, I really don't want to do that, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that. Hopefully I get a good deal on eBay or something. Shoot. Alright, let's get back into this. This is gonna work.
A nice clean line.
Yeah.
To like overlap, even though no one's gonna see that shit though, because the light's there and everything, so it really don't matter.
Yeah, we can always cut it like right there,
Yeah.
and then just like overlap it, so then like the like, yeah. So it's kind of like, it looks freaking hectic as hell. My body work is
That's fine.
it's not bad at all. So this is that inlay right there, bro. Top bottom. This is not our original idea. We got it off the freaking internet. Or you could say we're the originators. I don't know. So the next one we're gonna do is we're gonna do this bottom part by itself, and then the top part by itself, and then overlay it over. Should be fine. All right, so let's see. Quickly scan. All right, don't be looking at my hair, bro. We don't got no freaking. We don't got any freaking people to cut our hairs, bro. Alright, so quick update, like we had it all good to go. We were gonna wrap it and everything, but turns out Bondo does it, or wrap doesn't stick to Bondo, so I had to prime all the whole bumper. I should have, honestly, I'm not a professional, so I should have, honestly, what I should have done was sand it all down and primered the whole thing, but I didn't think until the end, so here, I'll show you what's going on. So I just primered all the spots that we had Bondo on. Just all these spots here. Let's see. Hold on. So I primered all the spots that we had Bondo on. They came out pretty good, but like I said, I should have probably just primered the whole bumper, but this is kind of the lazy way out. I need to pick up some stuff from on base, and then we'll go ahead and put those on the car, and then hopefully, you know, we'll get everything good to go. My plan is to sand all this primer down, make it all smooth, and then wrap it again. It is what it is. Let's get to it. So we're gonna go all the way over with the thing, with like the wrap, and this is already gonna be wrapped. This bottom piece up to here will already be wrapped, so it'll be up to here. So then all this down here is gonna be wrapped, so then when we cut it, we'll cut it down here, and then we'll fold this over, and then we'll fold this over down, so this piece will go down. This piece right here will fold inwards like this, and then wrap that way right there. And then, I mean, in theory it's simple, but honestly, like, this bumper has been the most headache. Even the quarter panels weren't that bad. Yeah, but also real quick, I got a lip. It's from Graham Styling or something like that. It's like, it was a carbon fiber lip. Hopefully it's coming to my address here in Germany. It's gonna take a while, but I mean, I was gonna either get that one or the fiberglass one, but for like $100 more, I could get the carbon fiber one, and I feel like the fiberglass one would break, so might as well go with the better one. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get to that, and then we'll come back. Alright, what's up, boys? So the last video you guys saw was me explaining on how we were gonna go ahead and do the wrap. We fast forward today, we actually got the wrap finished for the front, and as you guys can see, I cut my fingers up. I was gonna go pick up one of the knives, and then I stepped on it while I was picking it up and sliced the heck out of through my fingers. It's mostly why I didn't record the whole process, because my fingers hurt really bad and I just wanted to get this done and get it figured out. I'll show you guys the front bumper real quick. Shibby-doo looking clean. Front bumper came out freaking amazing. Like, it came out really good. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I think I might pull the car back a little bit and show you guys the front bumper. I do have to finish a couple things, or maybe we'll just do it tomorrow, honestly. My fingers are throbbing right now. I think my fingers are freaking throbbing right now, but I did get a couple connectors because the speaker right here, last time, the OGs know I'm not the best at crimping, but I got some more crimping crimps, so we're gonna go ahead and crimp those up, get the speaker ready to go, and then install the door card. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, pretty simple. Got them crimps. Oh, are you gonna focus, Bowie? We got them crimps ready to go. Ready for the speaker, ready to be booming, boy. We get that boy on there. It's looking good. She's starting to look good. She's starting to freaking. We still gotta wrap these boys. Still gotta wrap. So the only two things that need to be wrapped is this and this. It's the only two things that need to be wrapped. That's the only. And so far, they have given me the worst headache. Even the front bumper. The front bumper was a little difficult. It was difficult, but it wasn't super difficult on where I just want to rip my freaking head off. But those are the most difficult ones. So I've been trying to figure out what to do. We also have this little thing for the side skirt. It makes it so it connects the side skirt into it. And what do you know? It comes broken. So now I have to deal with this whole thing. I'm contacting the person, telling them that my crap came broken. It's for the quarter panel. Awesome. Alright, so it's the next day. It's been probably like 5 hours since I've been trying to work on this car, just getting everything buttoned up. I'll show you guys. I'll just run you guys through everything I've done. So first of all, we got these headlights. It was a pain in the butt because we didn't tighten that in right. I got all the fender liner bolts in. I got these new lights in and all connected. I still need to do the pissers, but I might do that later. We got these wrapped. Trash as heck, man. They're so bad. I mean, I have enough to do it again, but I might do it another time. Yeah, so these are wrapped. We got the side skirts good in. They're not like, oh shoot, they're not in all the way. As you guys, I don't know if you guys can see it. Like, there's a clip in there that's supposed to be in there, but I need to buy the clips. They're like $7 a clip. We got this boy in there. What else? We got the interior door card. We got that boy in there. Honestly, I'm just gonna go ahead and oh shoot, my phone. I'm gonna go ahead and just button all this up in here, and then we'll go for a ride. Get fam. So we're out here in the beautiful. Look at that. Look how beautiful it is out here. I don't know if you can really see all that. Look at that. It's just amazing. But look at her. This is a full 360. She's running like a little weird. Still gotta get her tuning done. Freaking beautiful. I'm gonna try my hand on a cinematic real quick and see. Let's see how it goes. Roll it. guys can see, she's looking freaking beautiful. There's a couple gaps, like this gap right here, I need to fix. I'm waiting on some bolts to come in for the side skirts and some clips. Let's see what else we don't got that much, but she's looking good. Oh god, look at the scenery. I just can't get over this freaking scenery. I don't know. Let's see if we can get higher. Look at this scenery, dudes. It looks freaking amazing, but oh, whew. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.